Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gawande. Today we'll discuss about the factors affecting rate of filtration. Again, welcome in the filtration chapter. So, in the last lecture we have studied about the definition of the filtration, then different mechanisms of the filtration. Then we have studied what are the what we can say different what we can say laws like Dawes' law, then Koosman-Karman reaction वगैरह and all. Then in this today's lecture we'll discuss about the factors influencing filtration. Now in this case, see, there are various factors which affects the filtration. The factors which may be related with the slurry, the factors may be related with the filter media, the factors may be related with the properties of the liquid or the solids which are the parts of the slurry, right? So in this case, first we'll discuss about the properties of the solid, which factors that are going to affect the rate of filtration in case of the solid. Now see here, properties of the solids. In properties of the solid, the first it is the particle shape. Now the particle shape, if the particles are of square shape, then it is very easy to filter compared to the round shape, because the pores, it depends on the mesh, which filter media you are taking. If the particles of that filter media, if the pores of that filter media are circular in shape, then the circular particles, they are going to what we can say block that circular filter media or pores of that circular filter media. So it depends on the particle shape. If the filter media is having or the screens, they are having what we can say pores like square shape or other shape, then take the particles vice versa. If the screen is square shape, you take the particle shape of, and again very small particle size. Second thing, particle size. The particle size, again it should be what we can say larger particles. They get filtered very rapidly. Rate of filtration is more in case of the larger particles compared to the smaller particles, because smaller particles have a tendency to block the filter media, the pores of the filter media. Or if the pores are pores are larger than the particle size, then that particles, they may get filtered through that filter media also. This also may be the what we can say one thing. Then particle charge. There are certain sometimes what happens, the particles, they attract each other. So when particles get deposit on the filter media, they form the cake, they attract the other particles, and the cake formation will be there. So particle charge also plays an important role in the filtration. Then density of the solids, density also plays an important factor. Lighter density and the higher density. Then particle size distribution. If the particle size distribution is a narrow one, then filter cake will be formed very fast and rate of filtration will affect. Then next what we can say property, that is the rigidity or the compressibility of the solid under the pressure. If the solids are more compressible, then in that case what happens, the cake which formed, it is a compact in nature. That cake will be a compact cake, and the rate of filtration will decrease. In the start the rate of filtration will be higher, but after some time, when the solid starts depositing, the rate of filtration will get decrease because of the nature of the solid, because that solid, it is compressible in nature and it will form a compressed cake. Then next one is the tendency of the particle to flocculate or adhere together. If this type of the tendency is there, that the particle forms the flocks, then in that case also the particles will get what we can say entangled in that flocks, and the cake will be formed, and again the rate of filtration will affect. So these are the properties of the solids. Then properties of the liquid. Again here the density of the liquid will play an important role. If the density is more, again the rate of filtration will affect. Viscosity also, it plays an important role. If the liquid is more viscous, then rate of filtration will be less. If the liquid is less viscous, then the rate of filtration will be more. Then corrosiveness, it also plays an important role. Corrosive liquids, the rate of filtration will be higher in case of the corrosive liquids compared to the non-corrosive one. Then properties of the solids in the slurry. Then what are the properties of the solids in the slurry? In this case, the rate of formation of the filter cake, especially in early stage of the filtration. Some solids, they have a tendency, they form a cake in the early stage of the filtration. When which type of the solids which are having very smaller particle size, again they are having what we can say particle charges, they attract each other. Then if it is a what we can say compressible in nature, then what happens, in the early stage of the filtration, the rate of formation of cake will be there, and definitely the rate of what we can say filtration will decrease here. Then objectives for which we are going to do the filtration, whether the solid or liquid are or both are to be collected. If we have to collect only liquid, then in that case definitely there will be decreased rate of filtration compared to the if we have to take both or if we have to take solids, right? Then again, temperature of the suspension. If the temperature is higher, the rate of filtration will be higher. If the temperature, because the viscosity decreases at higher temperature, and as the viscosity decreases, the rate of filtration will increase. So if the temperature is higher, rate of filtration will be higher. So these are the various factors which affects the rate of filtration. Now in this case, next we'll discuss surface area of the filter medium. That is again a very important factor in case of the rate of filtration. If you see the Darcy's law, in case of the Darcy's equation, dV by dt is equal to Ka delta P upon mu into L. So here A, it is in the numerator. So A, it is directly proportional to the dV by dt. That is rate of filtration is directly proportional to the surface area of the filter media. See here the rate of filtration. Then specific, now see here, it is directly proportional to the surface area of the filter media. But according to the Kozny-Kármán equation, it is inversely proportional to the specific surface area of the filter bed. Filter bed का जो specific surface area, it is inversely proportional. If less the specific surface area of the filter bed, then you see the filter bed. It is the filter bed, not a filter medium, right? And rate of filtration, it is directly proportional to surface area of the filter medium according to the Darcy's equation. So generally, to increase the rate of filtration, large filters having the larger surface area, and they are selected, and connecting to a number of small units in parallel, or if the filter is not large, then small units are connected in a parallel way, so that surface area will be more. So in case of the filter press, it is the example where what we can say, this connecting small units are connected in a parallel way in case of the filter press. So it is the example of this. The next important factor which plays an important role in the factors affecting rate of filtration, that is the pressure drop across the filter medium. So this pressure drop across the filter medium according to the Kozny-Kármán equation. Now see, the rate of filtration is proportional to overall pressure drop across both the filter medium and the filter cake, right? So pressure drop, we have to achieve the pressure drop. We have in the Darcy's equation also we have seen that dV by dt is equal to Ka delta P. Here delta P is again in the numerator. So जितना ज़्यादा pressure drop रहेगा delta P, higher the value of the delta P, more will be the rate of filtration. So we can achieve this more pressure drop by these four ways, that is by the gravity or vacuum reducing, or by creating vacuum, or by applying the pressure, or by centrifugal force. Now what is the gravity? Now in this case, a pressure difference could be obtained by maintaining a head of the slurry above the filter medium. Now what happens generally in case of the water, near about 10 meters, that water, the pressure head, it is kept at high 10 meters in the length, and from that the liquid is passed. So due to the gravity, the pressure get developed, and again it will depend on the density of the slurry also. कि pressure head जो है, if the density more, the pressure head will be again more. Then vacuum reducing pressure, vacuum or the reducing pressure. Now in case of the vacuum, generally what happens कि there are what we can say Buchner funnels are there, कि the pressure below the filter medium, it may be reduced below atmospheric pressure by connecting the filtrate receiver. The filtrate receiver, it is connected to the vacuum pump. and due to that what happens, filtrate receiver, it is connected to vacuum pump, so it sucks and it creates a very high vacuum. Due to that the high pressure difference get created and the liquid get filtered very fast. Within the fraction of the seconds you will get the filtration process. Then pressure, it is just simple pressure. We are putting the liquid, the simplest way of being to pump the slurry into a filter under the pressure. And then next, that is the centrifugal force. Many times the liquid, it is filled in the centrifuge tube and it is placed in the centrifuge for what we can say applying centrifugal force to that tubes. Now due to the centrifugal force what happens कि like gravitational force से जैसे लिक्विड नीचे आता है वैसे सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स से क्या होगा, the solids they are going to deposit at the bottom and the liquid will be at the above because of the density differences. So in this way also you can achieve the pressure drop here. Then the next factor which affects again the rate of filtration, that is the viscosity of the filtrate. Again in the Darcy's equation it is in the new denominator, that is dV by dt is equal to Ka delta P mu into L. So according to again in the Kozny-Kármán equation, the rate of filtration it is inversely proportional to the viscosity. Again in the same, it is in the Darcy's equation also the same, because we know that as the viscosity increases there is increase in the resistance to flow. So as the viscosity increases, rate of filtration decreases, and we can decrease or we can overcome this problem by raising the temperature. If we raise the temperature, viscosity of the liquid decreases, and due to that what happens, rate of filtration will increase. But it is not applicable to the thermolabile substances, because as we apply the temperature to the thermolabile substances there may be chance of deterioration of the thermolabile substances, right? Then again second one, dilution, it is one of the method. Ki if 10 ml of the, suppose like glycerine is there, it is more viscous, so it will take a very large time to get filter. So we can increase the volume of the dilute the glycerine. 10 ml का हम लोग 20 ml बना सकते हैं, reduce कर सकते हैं viscosity. But again what will happen कि 10 ml जो filter करना था उसकी जगह पे हमको 20 ml filter करना पड़ेगा. That is, as the quantity will increase, again the rate of filtration will get double, right? So one and the same thing. So these are the various factors which affects the rate of filtration. This is very important point from the examination point of view. Always the question is asked in the examination that what are the different factors which affects the rate of filtration. So in case of the Darcy's equation, if you learn the Darcy's equation and the Kozny-Kármán equation, you will definitely write all the factors which affects the rate of filtration, because that includes all the factors ki how, if the factors are in the numerator then they are directly proportional, if they are in the denominator then they are inversely proportional, right? So you can easily write the factors which can affect the rate of filtration, right? So if you like this lecture, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. In the next lecture we'll discuss about the filter media and the filter aid.